day 487 of quarantine. It's like the Blair Witch Project, but with my parents and a lot brighter. What is up, guys? How's it going? I am still living with my parents. Yeah, it's just great. It's just the best thing ever. I mean, I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy, but yeah, I think my mom and dad are gonna come home soon, so I gotta just like bust out the video. And today we're gonna be making turkey burgers because I'm bored and I'm trying to eat healthy, and ground turkey gets really bland and miserable after like the fourth time of making it. So I'm gonna mix it up and do something like different, because like turkey burgers kind of suck if you don't turn them into patty melts. So keep watching. We are going to make turkey burger patty melts, low carb, low cal, said no one ever. And for those of you that don't want to clog your arteries and die at age 30 like myself, I got like 6 months to live, you can just make low carb, just high protein turkey burgers. So it's basically the recipe down below, and put them over a salad. You can eat them with like avocado and egg as breakfast in the morning, and it can be healthy and nutritious if you don't follow my diet. But besides that, they just come out really good. They're kind of lightweight, and I always love like adding a packet of like ranch mix or sour cream and onion like dip, because it's just like easy way to flavor and season it, and it's super salty. Who doesn't love salt? I don't know if it has MSG or not, so I mean, if you're trying to watch your MSG, then I'm not a dietitian, okay, or a nutritionist. I'm a cook. Am I a cute cook? Don't answer that, please. Okay, I'm done. Bye. Okay, let's get right into the video. Here's a preview of the final product, but I already made the patties and I'm about to start grilling them in the pan. Some oil. I like to use canola oil or like coconut oil, just not olive oil, because it has a lower smoking point and it's not good. So onto a patty form, and make sure you put like a little hole in the center because they're gonna pop back up. So I like to do that. Oil is hot. Try to do them at the same time so they cook evenly. And they're looking like they're ready to flip. I get my thermometer, and after I flip them, you know what I'm doing now. And flip them right there. Oh God, don't grab it. That's pretty good. That's hot. That's really hot. Okay, what am I gonna do with this? They're ready. I'm gonna get the thermometer, shove it inside. Just kerplunk, right? Just go right in. Divvy on tip. Don't do that, guys. Just when it does look like it's. In the meantime, I'm gonna get 2 slices of bread. Yeah. You can toast them right there, get some flavor of the turkey. I'm just gonna pop them in the toaster. Yeah, just toast it on up. Yeah. Looking like they're getting done. Just kidding, that's totally raw on the inside. Woo! Okay. How do I like to finish them off? That's toasting. I got 2 things. You know, you could have this low carb, low cal, put it on a lettuce wrap, call it a day, eat healthy. I just did yoga and I feel really good about myself, and I probably should do that. Or you could just pop this bad boy on top of a salad and call it a day, right? That's it. Just easy peasy. Put it on top of the salad. I'm not going to do that, okay? Let's live on the wild side. I like to, enjoy my calories. So I am going to slab it in cheese, toss some bacon on, and make a patty melt because why the heck not? So you get your cheese. So get it there, and you just put it on. Put it on that bad boy. Like that. Just happy-go-lucky. Then I'm going to let that little steamer go back on. So nice and milky. We got the toasty. And then this little piggy went to the, look, we're using every single animal. We got bacon. We got bacon, which is a pig, oink oink. We got a cow, which is a cheese, moo. And then we got gobble gobble. So we are just hitting the food pyramid. Sorry, if anybody's a vegetarian, please turn off the channel, do that. So I'm just going to have the bacon like on the side. So it gets up all that flavor. So that looks like the toast is done. Oh my god. This looks so good. Got the toast toasted. I'm gonna let it cool down. It smells like okay. I think my parents are coming. Yeah, so gotta wait a little bit. Should I turn on the fan? Probably turn on the fan. I need a fork. What's that? And then you turn that off. Whatever, I think it's done. Just guess. If you can't tell, you just stick it in the middle. Okay, so the main thing we're looking for turkey is that you want the internal temp to be 160. Okay, so you want to make sure, obviously, they're not raw in the middle. Then once your cheese has melted, you get your toasted bread, slather it in mayonnaise, veganaise, whatever you want, mustard, and then I like to add Cholula and then your patty, your bacon, another patty, because why not, and more bacon. Piece it together and wham bam, thank you ma'am. Thank you ma'am. That is you could make it low carb, low cal, but that's not how I roll. Low carb, low cal, said no one ever. Patty melt, which, should I just go for it? I'm gonna like burn myself up. It looks so good. Okay, let's just go. I wanna get a bite of everything though. Which angle? I don't know what angle to go from. Oh god. Love videotaping myself. Aww. That tastes so good. I'm having a moment with a burger, but yeah. Hope you guys tried the recipe, and I'm gonna keep eating this because I can, and I work out so I can pig out because #YOLO. Wow. Oh, I'm done. I'm done fish. I'm out. Oh my god, I just can't wait to eat this all. Okay, don't tell me you don't want to eat this. Well, I ate like half of it, but I did not count the calories on this, but I know. Whew. But seriously, everybody should try this. Let me know what they think. So. Don't drop that dun-dun-dun. Hey, don't drop that dun-dun-dun. Don't drop that dun-dun-dun. Hey, don't drop that dun-dun-dun. Don't drop the dun-dun-dun. Don't drop the dun-dun-dun. I love burgers. It's so bomb. It's not dry. Have you ever had a turkey burger that's like super dry? It's not with this one, but most of all the fat I added to it. Whatever. YOLO. Bye. up.